Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. So today guys, I'm doing a follow-up video. I did the cayenne pepper test. So I've been getting a lot of bugs in the garden and especially ants. There's a lot of ants and then there's some bugs that we don't see and I don't even know about. So I put the cayenne pepper to the test. I'll leave the link at the end of the video so you guys can see what I did. This is day 5 or 6, so I'm gonna show you guys right now and I've been watching it closely. As you guys saw in my previous video about all the ants that I had, so basically they were eating out. This is one of my plants. They were eating out really bad. So as you could see, you know, these were some holes. You know, they were like half of leaves and stuff like that, and they were eating this guy right here too. As you see, like half a leaf, and you could see it missing. It's more than ants, you know. There's a lot of bugs in here. So this area right here was crawling with ants. Let me show you guys. We're crawling with ants and bugs. But now we still have one ant's nest right there. So now it used to had a lot. It used to had a lot more of ants and other bugs. So right now, after a couple of days doing the cayenne pepper, I would say it definitely worked a little bit. It didn't work 100% because there's still a lot of ants and bugs, guys. Well, not the bugs I can't really see. Well, there's still ants, but it's not a lot like how I used to had before. So definitely it helped a little bit. I'm gonna have to do some more research or more test trial to see how I could master it, because the cayenne pepper is all natural, guys. But I want to show you guys one thing. So this one here, I had tossed the cayenne pepper on the plant itself to test it out. The reason why I wouldn't recommend anybody to put it on the plant, the leaf, you can see like this is a tomato plant, and it looks, you know, I tried to wash it off but it wasn't coming off. So lucky thing I did most of it on the bottom. My overall review so far after trying the cayenne pepper for about 5 to 6 days, I would say it worked a little bit, not much. The next thing I could try to do is someone said mix it with water and I use a spray bottle, so maybe I could try that and around, because these ants are getting around. But I've been researching on Amazon. I checked on Amazon. I found some organic stuff you could use in the garden too, so I'm gonna look into that and see. I just don't want to put a lot of stuff. I just don't want to put a lot of stuff in the garden because that's our veggies that we eat and stuff. So I'd rather find like natural stuff. So if you guys have a lot of bugs and you want to like calm it down, I'll definitely say try the cayenne pepper around, and it'll help a little bit. I think it was day 2 or day 3. It was less bugs, less ants around the garden, so that was a good sign of it. But then after day 4, they were coming back. So these ants are tough. I think in Long Island here, guys, we have some tough ants. Does it work fully 100%? No. Is it worth your time? Maybe. You know, if it's up to you. If you want to try something natural and you have a lot of ants and too much bugs and you don't want to try other stuff, you could give the cayenne pepper a shot. Maybe it works better for you too. So did work a little bit for me, but as I told you, it's not the best. So I'm gonna keep researching and finding something better. If you guys know something that really works good and it's organic, please do recommend it. Leave in the comment below and I'll check it out too, guys. All right, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. So every time I upload a video, you guys will be the first to watch it. Stay tuned for more video on GreenTGarden, guys.